This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pixie Russell. Sprawling brick ranch overlooking the Princess and Golf Course. Located in the front of Bay Colony in the beautiful Linkhorn Park section just blocks from the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Pride of ownership shows throughout with renovation in 2003 adding a private primary bedroom suite and laundry room as well as large family great room overlooking the 8th fairway. Home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths and is nestled on a wooded 1-acre lot. For more information, review the details below.